Hey Georgia, thanks for coming in. We're going to be doing the sit and reach test today. This tests your low back and your hamstring flexibility. This is important because it depicts your performance in daily activities and your sport participation. It also might be an indicator of low back pain now or later on, but research kind of differs in that hypothesis. So I'm going to first do what we did for the push-up test. I'm going to do a demonstration, show you what needs to be done, and then you'll do it. We're going to do 2 trials for you. So I'll go ahead and start. So we have the measuring tape down here, and our starting point, or our 0 point, is at 26 centimeters, so that's where we need to put our feet, our heels at, and we need to make sure that we have our shoes off for this. Also, before you do the sit and reach test, I'm going to have you warm up your muscles just by doing a static hamstring stretch. So yeah, like I said, you're going to have your heels just on the edge of the tape line here that I have marked off as our starting 0 point. Your feet are going to be about 5 to 6 inches apart from the middle center line. And then when you do the test, I'm going to have you make sure your knees are extended on the ground. I'm going to have your hands one right over the other. And then you're going to go up, and then as you go down to reach, you're going to exhale and then put your head in between your arms. And when you reach as far as you can, you're going to hold it for 2 seconds, and that counts as 1 trial. And then I'll let you know when that, like when you have the 2 seconds done, so that you can stop and then get a break and then start your second trial. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So I'm going to have hands one over the other. Exhale, reach, 1, 2, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to do another one. 1, 2, and then the score that you get, whichever one is higher out of the 2, that's going to be your marker, and then, or your score, and then I'll show you in the book where you lie on that, on the scale. So yep, go ahead and assume the position. So yep, heels right at the tape lines, about 5 to 6 inches apart from the middle tape measure. And then, yep, hands one right over the other, and then make sure when you go down, you're going to exhale and then stick your head in between your arms and keep your knees extended at all times. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. 1, 2. All right, 31.5. All right, you ready for the second trial?
Yeah.
All right, go. 1, 2, 34. All right, so yeah, good job. So your higher score was obviously the 34. So in your book, you are a woman, age 20 to 29, and you got 34, which puts you in the good category. So good job there. Ways to continue keeping up with your good flexibility is just to do a static hamstring stretch. You can do some dynamic movements. You can also just make sure that you're stretching before and after activity, and also just making sure that you're continue exercising. Thank you for coming in.